English tip by tip.
Tip 19. Indefinite article. An. Before a noun that is general, or when identity is not known. Important. Before consonant. An. Before vowel. It's a giraffe. It's an elephant. Tip 19. Exercise. Complete. At the zoo, Mary saw an elephant, a monkey, a giraffe, and a bear.
At the mountain, Mary saw
A
rabbit,
a
cow,
a
horse,
an
ibexen,
an
impala.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.